Okay, so I think the surgery that I've done is during 2022, June 29. And I think it's about 10 months ago since I done the surgery. It was actually after COVID-19. Yeah. I used to wear the mask. No matter in or out, I will wear a mask because I'm worried that someone will realize I have a uneven jaw or a sharper jaw. I always got some comments from my primary and secondary friend that my face looked like the warp, the warp, very sharp, and the moon face or banana face. So they will call me Banana Elena, or they will make fun of your name and your face as well. And that's the time where I decided to take this surgery because it's really uh, yeah. But then I really, really appreciate all the support from Universiti Malaya. My experience, I would say, is really good, but it's also involving a lot of like anxious, nervous, stress, and a lot of doubts behind because it's something like unknown. You don't know what will happen after the surgery. So after my braces done, and then they tell me that, hey, you are ready for a surgery. Then I was like, ooh, so fast? Okay. So I plan out my career, settle everything, settle down. Then I relax myself, calm myself down for the surgery. My experience, okay, maybe I start from the day I enter and admit hospital. That time I was very nervous. I was trying to pack up my luggage and stuff, and I don't know what to pack. Literally blank out, wondering a lot of things, searching all the like surgery community, looking at their after surgery comments or some supportive words to calm myself down. I couldn't describe, but I was still very stressed, very anxious, and I have a second that I think that, doctor, can I cancel my surgery? Because I'm really, really nervous. And then, but then the people there is very nice. The doctor like calm me, talking some jokes, and then suddenly I black out. And then once I wake up, I was outside of the surgery room already. And I feel a bit dizzy, but then slowly I come back into my mood and position. Then I realized that, oh, I've done. And I can't recognize my face. I was like, wow, who is this? Even the doctor come in and finding Elena, they can't see, where is Elena? So it's really funny. Um, the overall experience is good because I don't feel any pain and it's just a bit numb and swollen. I don't feel any pain, no dizzy, no vomit blood, no nothing. I can eat very, very well and I can drink. I was quite tired, uh, exhausted. But after that, immediately they discharged me from the hospital. So I was like, wow, so fast. And then I went home and settled down myself. Yes, a lot. I have a lot of concern that is like uncountable because I have never done any surgery before. And, when I told my friend that I'm going for a surgery, then they say, wow, it's a major surgery. And then my doctor or surgeon also tell me, uh, there's a risk, you need to think about it, whether you confirm you want to proceed with this surgery or not, because you will have a total change on your lifestyle, your face, your behavior, or your profile of your face, everything will be different. Are you ready to take this challenge or not? That's the sentence that my doctor asked me. So that time actually a lot of questions actually pop up from my mind that I really think and think and think until the day when my surgeon say, okay, Elena, you will be having your surgery in 2 months time. Are you okay? Wow, that time I was like so sudden because that time I was still having a full-time job in bank and I don't really uh, know how to dedicate my clients because I have like a group of clients that I need to pass on to my friends or colleagues. So, but then after that, I did some discussion with my boss and then we have a agreement that, okay, I will go and relax, handle and proceed with my surgery, then only come back for a job again. So that time I actually tender my resignation for this surgery for my own recovery and healing process. So there is nothing in rush. But overall, I would say it's a lot of anxious, doubts, unknown, and uncertainties, I would say. There's a lot of up and downs. But after that, I can say that I'm really, really satisfied with the results and no regrets. Of course, yes, I would say 100% yes. Because I actually didn't expect the outcome, how I will look like in person. Because um, like the community that I have saw on Facebook, everyone looks different after surgery. But for you, we don't really have like a 3D that you can see how you look like after or before the surgery. So everything is unknown. You don't know how you will look like. And I don't really have like a picture in my mind how I will look or how I will become in a person, like another Elena, another Elena. But then after that, slowly, the swollen and the numbness all go away. I feel comfortable, able to eat, able to chill, and I can slowly see the feature coming out, especially my side profile. Last time used to have like a distorted jaw and uh, unaligned uh, teeth, but now everything is like in their right order. So I feel very different. It's like a new me, like a new chapter, uh, or like a new Elena, I would say. A lot of reaction as well. First I actually met my mother and my boyfriend, fiance lah. The first reaction is like, who is this? Are you Elena? So it's very funny. Then I was like lying down there and looking at them, but I cannot talk. So I'm like, then there was quite surprised lah because I'm totally different. That time I was like a Shin Chan. So I don't know how they react or how they feel, or maybe they don't want me anymore. I don't know. But they really support me very well. Like they just be my companion and then cook for me, feed me, help me to change my clothes, and then guide me on how to take care myself. About my friend, we take a group photo. Then there was like, new friend. Someone they post on Insta story and say, who is this girl? Elena lo? Huh? Why look different one? You got new friend, is it? I think it's not Elena. It's Elena. Just different face. Then there was quite surprise. Then there was like, I'm not used to your face right now. Don't talk to me with your face. But after that, they used to read already, and then they think that it's actually better compared to last time. They also share with their mother or father family and see, wow, really worth it for the surgery because totally I gain a lot of confidence. I no longer need to worry about the angle of taking a picture. I'm a like Insta story active person. I have to like hide here, like that, like that, like that. Very mafan one. And now I no need, I can just like that immediately, can take picture. I started as a digital advertising agency. That one was like managing clients from different brands. Then right after that, I actually joined UOB Bank as an investment banking specialist. That means I need to face client every day. I actually consulted my cousin. I remember I think the day before my resignation, I went for a job with jogging with my cousin. So I asked him, if you have two decisions, number one, continue your job. Number two, go for surgery. So immediately he answered me very fast, go for surgery, because your job is not the priority. You can look for a better job for sure after your surgery. There's a lot of opportunity for you because you are very well versed in all your investment knowledge. Number two, health is always number one, as is the most important in your life. You will never sacrifice anything for your health. So I would say number one. Apa lagi? Okay. So I actually found a new job, which I am really uh, happy about it, because that's the decision that I have made after my surgery. So I actually got an offer from a Google partner as a digital marketing campaign specialist. This actually impacted a lot to my new job for the surgery, because number one, my talking, my speaking is definitely improving a lot, and my pronunciation is very important, because previously when I thought I couldn't pronounce myself properly, and I couldn't have a very good speaking as well, especially like during the public speaking part, like presentation. You need to present the deck to the client. That's the part that I have suffered a lot, because I couldn't pronounce certain words. But right now, when I have to speak Cantonese to my client, I can actually pronounce it very well, very sharp, and it actually impacted my new occupation as well. So that's really improving how I speak, I feel, I talk, I communicate, and the most important part is my confidence level in presenting to client. I completed my whole treatment in 14 March 2023, which is 2.5 months ago. Sad to leave my braces, because I really think that I look good with braces. So I actually tell Dr. Nadia, can I actually wear my braces and don't remove it? Because I really love it. But she said, no, remove. You got no choice. Then, okay, lor, I remove. But then after I remove, actually, I really love without braces, because I looks different again. It's like number one is before surgery, during surgery, after surgery, and after braces. So I have experienced a different kind of Elena, which is very unforgettable. And I am pretty sure that no one has experienced all this unless they have a surgery, like double jaw surgery. So after I removed my braces, immediately after I left the orthodontics room, I pick up my phone. Then I send to my mother. See my braces, or I'll say, do you notice any different? Then I say, wow, I removed braces already. Then from there onwards, I really gain a lot of confidence and like very happy whenever people want to take like candid shot immediately. If you ask me whether I will go through the surgery again, whether I will go through this process again, I will say 100% yes.